mo mag-OFW or freelance sa Dubai, i-consider mo muna ang cost of living mo sa decision mo. Bed space is around 8 to 1,200 dirhams or 12 to 18,000 pesos per month. Grocery for one person is around 400 to 600 dirhams or 6 to 9,000 pesos per month. Transport cost a lot around 300 dirhams per month or around 4,500 pesos. Utilities and internet around 300 to 500 dirhams or 4,500 to 7,500 pesos. Lifestyle gastos, well, depende yan kung magastos ka or matipid ka talaga. So, reality check, if may nag-offer sa inyo ng around 2,500 to 3,000 dirhams per month, tanungin nyo muna kung may libreng accommodations, free ba ang transport cost, how about the health insurance? Kasi kung wala, baka balik zero ang ipon mo buwan-buwan. Huwag tayo basta masisilaw sa offer kasi pag nag-convert to peso, parang malaki talaga. Planuhin ng maayos para may uwi ka pang ipon at hindi ka stress.